Hi, this video will be about how to change the color of any object in Photoshop without losing texture. You're watching How to Photoshop My Mind. I will start with showing the easiest way to change the color. Select the color replacement tool and then change the foreground color to the color you want. The next step is to just start painting on the parts which you want to be in another color. This method is fast and easy, but it is not always very precise and sometimes does not color the parts that you want to be colored. So I will show also a better method with which it is possible to change the color very precisely. Start by selecting the text tool and start selecting the parts of which you want to change. After the selections are made, click Select and Mask. Now it is possible to see the selected area better. You can also change the color of the selection if you want. Now you can remove the selection with holding Alt and add it where it is needed. When it is done, click OK. After that, click Image, Adjustments, Hue and Saturation. Here you can change the color by changing the hue. The saturation and brightness can also be changed. With this method, you can change the color of any object and make pictures pop and look amazing. If you like this video, make sure you have pushed the like button. Let me know what images you will Photoshop in the comment section below. Don't forget to subscribe and click the bell to not miss any awesome videos in the future. See you next time.